You said we need chicken, right? $80. Is that in your budget range? Alright, what's up everyone? We're back at it. And today we're going to be hitting chest. Once again, it's, was it 1:50 in the morning?
Yeah, it's like...
And I also wanted to ask everyone in the comments something, because this dude right here, says that he doesn't want to fucking... He does not want to...
I don't like warming up. I just like getting right into my routine.
And he goes right into his heaviest sets, right off the bat. He doesn't do any warm-ups, nothing. So if anyone can correct him and tell him what will happen if he continuously just goes right into his set. Like, not that heavy, obviously, because I can't lift that heavy, but just tell him what happens. Alright, we're ready, let's go.
Let's get it. Alright guys, we're in here at a giant food store.
3 o'clock in the morning, by the way.
Yeah.
And we're trying to get some rotisserie chicken.
Trying to
Jonathan's nice enough to buy me my meal. So I'm thinking, where are you going, bro? I know exactly what I want. It's right
We're trying to get
You
this
said
chicken.
we need chicken, right? $80. Is that in your budget range? Is that cool?
100 pieces? Are you that?
I'm down,
You
dude.
hungry, dude?
I'm gonna start videos with eating challenges. So 100 chickens ain't nothing. I mean, 100 pieces. Of
No, I
chicken.
honestly think we both could eat
Yeah,
that.
we could both eat that. I could eat probably the whole. No, I could probably eat a piece of whole.
It'd be
I
kind.
probably couldn't eat 100 fried pieces of chicken to myself, but chicken nuggets, that's another story.
It'd probably be really dumb to buy $80 worth
You
of
can't
chicken.
buy it anyway. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. They don't even have rotisserie chickens. Our rotisserie
Yeah,
chicken,
you're right.
our rotisserie chicken mission failed. So now we're gonna move on to. What are we moving on to, brother? Ground beef.
Our best bet now is probably something in the oven. I don't know, man.
Ground beef. Ground beef, actually,
What are we gonna use ground beef for?
to make cheeseburgers, motherfucker.
That sounds like a good idea, man.
Jonathan's so kind enough to buy me some food with his welfare money. I didn't.
He said welfare money.
So we came out a little bit unsuccessful because all we got was ground beef and buns. I got the cheese and the rest of the shit at my house. We weren't coming in here for a rotisserie chicken. Actually, I came here for $80 worth of chicken, but he wasn't willing to spend that kind of money. So I'll catch back up with you at the house.
He wanted $80 worth of chicken.
This card number, please get a receipt.
Alright, I think it's gonna wrap up the vlog today.
We just got back from Giant and got, well, half-pound burgers to ourselves.
Yeah, these is probably the biggest burger I've ever eaten.
Not me.
But yeah,
I'm gonna start doing eating challenges.
yeah.
You guys-
Let us know what you guys want to start seeing in our videos. You know,
You're pretty fucking good too. Just gonna say, you know what I'm saying? You're real fucking good. You guys can call me a slob, whatever you want, but I'm gonna put some cheese. I mean some.
he put ketchup on top of his burger.
All right.
Yeah, guys, drop some comments and let us know what you want to see in the future.
Yeah, we're gonna start lifting every fucking day. Well,
Yeah, every day we're
except for 2 days a week, we're gonna take off. Maybe 1 day, but other than that,
we'll be in the gym killing it.
not killing it, but we're gonna be doing it.
Oh, we'll kill it.
All right.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Peace.